With the July enforcement date of the California Consumer Privacy Act, or CCPA, in our wake, as well as Apple's recent iOS 14 announcement and the impending death of the third-party cookie, the advertising industry at large is hurtling toward a privacy-first world. There are 3 fundamental steps companies should take to survive. 1. Review all current data privacy regulations that apply to your business. There are a lot of data privacy laws out there right now, including sector-specific laws such as HIPAA, COPPA, and Gramm-Leach-Bliley, as well as larger-scale regulations such as the General Data Protection Regulation, as well as the California Consumer Privacy Act, or CCPA. When reviewing these laws for compliance, make sure you're not just looking at the letter of the law, but also the reasoning behind it. For example, when establishing CCPA compliance plans, companies should look not just at the law and the finalized regulations from the Attorney General, but also the statement of reasons issued with the regulations to ensure you're understanding the intent and likely enforcement of the law. 2. Understand the data targeting landscape and anticipate changes. The death of the third-party cookie in 2022 might seem far away, but it'll be here before we know it. Having an understanding of how the current landscape functions and how it will need to change sets your business up for success as new solutions emerge over the next few months. 3. Embrace a privacy-first mindset. At the end of the day, companies creating workarounds or doing the bare minimum to meet specific requirements are missing the bigger picture as to why this seismic shift is occurring. Consumers are increasingly demanding a right to know who is collecting their data, what it will be used for, and where it will eventually land. Data privacy lends itself to trust, which lends itself to loyalty. For publishers, when you have a loyal audience, they'll keep coming back for trusted content, increasing overall monetization. For advertisers, loyal publisher audiences provide an opportunity to reach consumers in a receptive and trusting environment that they stay engaged with over time. In conclusion, the 3 fundamental steps companies should take to thrive in a privacy-first world are: 1. Review all current data privacy regulations that apply to your business. 2. Understand the data targeting landscape and anticipate changes. 3. Embrace a privacy-first mindset. In our next videos, we'll be outlining the data targeting landscape and what brands need to know as we approach a cookieless world.